about killed everybody.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure you are. You're drunk.
On October 27, 2023, in McIntosh County, Georgia, a 911 caller alerts deputies. A driver is heading the wrong way on I-95 northbound in the southbound lanes. Positioned near an access ramp, one deputy waits, ready to take action.
This ain't good. Alright, touch from 1038. Florida tag. Get it. This, I'm probably gonna need this thing. Stop.
10-4, you calling it?
10-4. Watch out, pit. I can't see if I got it.
10-3, 10-33.
See if I got this and get open shot right here, maybe.
McIntosh pit. You're pit.
Hey! Come on. Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
Man. I'm gonna move my truck.
Good. Got her?
I got it.
Let me move my car a little. $295 goes in the trooper. You about killed everybody.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure you are. You're drunk. That's what happens when you drive drunk.
23,
Let go.
Windshield 20, flashing update.
Step over here. Stop right here. Turn around. Lean on that rail. That's what happens when you drive drunk.
I'm sorry.
You hurting anywhere?
No.
You contact GSP.
Flashlight. Check my damage.
10-4, I'm waiting on them.
Or stand with her.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure you are. Now that you about killed everybody. Did we get a chance to double lock them?
No, I did not.
Turn around real quick. Stand with her, let me get my ticket, man. Lean on that rail. Signal out. Tire got me. I already got it in custody, so nah. I don't need it. She is hammered drunk. If one of y'all are free, if y'all will ride south real slow, look at whatever she's hit, whatever sign that is, see if you can tell where it is.
I was already in the car?
Yeah. She was driving like that all the way up here. So she's wrecked somewhere in Glenn County. She took out something.
We got people here.
Yeah. What's happening, fella?
We're just trying to track her to Glenn.
Yeah, she's wrecked somewhere in Glenn County. Had to be in.
That's not her?
Yeah.
That's her. But
She's got a signpost sticking to her windshield. That look like that's for construction. Y'all got construction going on down there?
Yeah, right before the 38. On this side of the 38.
There's her construction board pole.
You
Yeah, I pitted her.
did? I was wondering, we passed by, but we couldn't tell.
Yeah. Oh, she's sloppy. But that's gonna be somewhere around that construction then y'all got going on.
Yeah, right before the 38, GSP.
Is that trooper coming here?
They're doing construction.
Oh, they working
Two of them sitting there. I don't know how they didn't see one.
I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, well, no, not now, not with that. I know where it come from.
Okay.
Do you have ID on you? Do you have a driver license? Where's it at? In your purse? Where's your purse at? You know where at in the car?
1214. Is there any
Listen, I'll give it to you.
Give
I
it.
swear.
You have it on you?
No, I swear to God, I'll give it to you.
Where is your pocketbook? Okay. What is your name?
Kaylee,
Kaylee who? How old are you, Kaylee?
22.
22. Okay. Well, listen to me. I got something I need to read you, okay? It's called the Implied Consent Law for
Can
state
you
of
please
Georgia.
listen to this?
Let me read.
Can you please? It hurts
That is.
really bad.
Kayla, listen to me.
It hurts
I got something I
really
want to read.
bad.
Listen to me. I got something I want to read you. And then when I read it to you, I'm going to ask you a question. You either answer it yes or no. Understand? Okay. This is called the Implied Consent Notice for suspects ages of 21 or over. Okay. The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state upon your submission to a state admitted chemical test for your blood, breath, urine, and other bodily substances for the purpose of determining if you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver license privilege to drive on the highways of this state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Will you submit to a state admitted chemical test of your blood under the Implied Consent Law? I'm asking if you'll give me a blood test.
Sure.
You will? You're shaking your head no and you're saying yeah. Which one is it?
I don't care.
Well, it's your right answer, whichever way you want.
No.
No? 1223 McIntosh. Implied consent read on scene for blood refused.
412.
Must have got tire burn mostly. Hey.
In the position that they're in. They're too loose now as it is. I can't make
I'm stuck. If one of y'all will go and you want to go transport her up to the sheriff. She said it's in her pocketbook in the car.
Her phone's in there too.
If you'll go ahead and transport her up, I mean I'll be there
It's
shortly.
really tight.
Well, if it's to go take them off. Where's your truck? Let's step back here, man.
Walk with me, alright?
Right now you're being placed on arrest. Suspicion of driving under the influence, okay?
Loosen this, please.
Go ahead and have a seat. Hop in. We're just gonna take them off.
Can't. How the fuck can I get in if it's fucking tight?
Alright, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put your seatbelt on, okay?
She every bit of three
Fucking
times.
tight.
The woman was taken to the McIntosh County Jail and charged with DUI, reckless driving, fleeing or attempting to elude, driving on the wrong side of the road, and windshield obstruction. What do you think? If you saw headlights coming at you on the interstate, would you know how to react? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. And as always, stay safe out there.